What's up, diary? It's Tuesday, the 6th of June, and so far my goals for this month are just not going anywhere. So I'm gonna give it a try. Today I'm gonna try to get things done, be accomplished. I don't know what I'm doing half the time, really. I am reading a book on like the laws of the universe, and the first chapter is saying we are all connected. Everything is connected because we are all made from the same thing. I'm gonna have to work on changing the way I think about things. Let's just say that. I have a little bit of work ahead of me if I'm gonna try to change my mind about how things work and achieve things in life. I'm gonna have to change how my mind works. Fighting. I'm gonna try it. We're gonna get through this. We're strong. We're gonna get through everything. And we're gonna be successful. That's right. I'm gonna be successful. So every time I buy this food, I'm always saying I'm gonna show it to you, because I know it's not something that everyone makes. This is something that's totally a local thing, and I always forget. So this, I'm gonna show it to you. Let me see if I can. This is a currant roll, and it's like stuffed with raisins and stuff. It's just raisins, it's pastry and raisins. Ow. I just hit my hand on the like glass. It's a long pastry. It's like long and thin and like filled with stuff in it. This is very messy because I just messed up my phone case. Hold on for a second. My pants is all dirty now. Great. This is my favorite pastry right now, because my favorite always changes every few years. But right now, I really like currant roll, and I have liked this. There was a time when I was younger, when I was a kid, I liked this pastry, and then suddenly I stopped eating it because I didn't like it anymore, and I started eating cheese pies instead. But then recently, I went in bakery and I bought this. And then I decided this is my favorite snack ever, and I have been eating this thing for months now, and I'm like not fed up yet. Although I feel like I'm gonna get fed up of it real soon, because I've been eating it for a while now. So I'm probably gonna get fed up. I forgot to tell my dad to buy ramen, because my mom made something that I won't eat again. I feel like I'm gaining weight. Does my cheeks look chubbier to you? Because I feel like it looks chubbier. Am I just imagining things, or is it really chubbier looking? I feel like it looks chubbier. Okay, I should stop focusing on weight, because if I focus on it, I'll probably just gain more. So I'm just not gonna focus on it. There was a time that I avoided looking at a mirror directly. It was probably about 2 years. Like, for a period of 2 years, I stopped looking at myself. And then when I finally looked at myself, I was way skinnier than I was before. Yorobun. This is my dinner. Because my mom didn't make dinner. Well, she made something and I won't eat it. So this is my dinner. Unless I get ramen by the time, I get home.
Hello, baby. Are disturbing you? Go and sleep, baby. Sleep, right? Sleep, baby. Dodo.